Hello NEET PG aspirants. My name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Students, today I want to give you the information regarding NEET PG admission in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one of the biggest state in India, and in terms of the number of PG seats, it is also very big number. In Uttar Pradesh, there are government college, deemed university, private non-minority college as well as private minority colleges are there. As you know that government college 50% seats counselling will be conducted by All India Counselling. So rest 50% which is left, their counselling will be conducted by UP State Counselling. And in Uttar Pradesh there is one deemed university is there, Santosh Vijayapad, where counselling will be conducted by All India Counselling. But in Uttar Pradesh State Counselling, government college 50% seats will be there, private college, non-minority private college complete seats will be there, and minority private college complete seat will be there. Today's discussion will give you the information regarding UP State Counselling admission process. First, I will give you the information what is the eligibility for participating in UP State Counselling for government colleges and private colleges. Government colleges eligibility criteria is that the student will have to complete MBBS from UP State, but there is an exception. If any student has done MBBS from Aligarh Muslim University or Banaras Hindu University, he will not be eligible for UP State Counselling government state quota. Other than which all government colleges are there, if a student had completed MBBS from those colleges, you will be eligible for government colleges PG admission through state counselling process. Coming to private colleges and private minority colleges. See, in UP is one of the state in India, there is no reservation for the domicile candidate. It is a very big advantage for all over India students. There is not at all any reservations in private colleges for domicile student. All seats are open for any student in all over India. Allotment will be through the NEET rank only. There are minority colleges are there. 5 minority colleges are there. I'll give you the information. There 50% seats are reserved for the minority students. One Jain minority college is there and 4 Muslim minority colleges is there. There 50% seats are reserved for the minority students. Now I am coming to the counselling process. In UP, the counselling will be conducted under the supervision of UP DGNE, Directorate of Medical Education, Lucknow, and the counselling authority is UP NEET. You have to go to the website of UP NEET and you have to do the registrations there. It will be done in that way. Once the registration will be open, first you have to do the registration, means you have to fill the application, you have to upload all the documents there. After that, you have to pay the security amount and the registration fee. The registration fees is approximately 3,000 rupees and the security amount for government college it is only 30,000 rupees, and if you are looking for private college or private minority colleges, then it will be 2 lakhs. It will be refundable security money will be 2 lakhs. So once you complete your registration and the application process, after that the merit list will be published. The student who has applied in UP and whose document has been approved, all the students merit list will be published in UP NEET website. So you will be able to know that yes, now you are eligible for doing the choice filling. Once the choice filling will start, then you have to do the choice filling. Now here in UP, one very important thing is that you have to pay the security money in the first round only, and if you are allotted a seat in round 1 onwards, means round 1, round 2, whatever round, if you are allotted a seat, if you don't take that seat, that security money will be forfeited. So in case if you are allotted a seat in round 1 and if you don't take that particular seat, then 2 lakh security money will be forfeited. After that, if you want to participate in round 2 again, then again you have to pay 2 lakh security money, and in case of mop-up round the same thing actually. So in UP from the first round only you have to do the choice filling very carefully, because the security money will be forfeited from the first round only. In UP Counselling, the process, as I told you, what is the significance of UP State Counselling, I will tell you. There are almost 18 to 19 private colleges are there in UP where the clinical fee structure is 20 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum. And minority colleges fee structure is high. So there are many students from all over India, maybe their NEET rank is not that very good and they have a limited budget also. They are looking for private college within 20 to 25 lakhs. For them, UP is a very good opportunity. But you have to remind one thing, for the colleges where the fee structure is 20 to 25 lakhs, if you want to take admission there, you have to participate in round 1 only. Because after round 1, they will be having very less chance if you are looking for admissions in low budget private college in UP. Now in UP there are more than 18-19 private colleges are there, but there are many colleges are there where the PG department started very newly. Maybe they have started 1 year back, 2 years back, or 4 to 5 years back. So when you are taking admissions in PG in UP, please check the infrastructure, facilities, how old is the PG department there, and how many cases are there in the particular department, how is the hands-on there, what is the patient flow in the hospitals. Each and everything you have to check if you are taking admissions in clinical PG in those colleges. Now in coming to the minority colleges fee structures for good clinical branches like radiology, dermatology, general medicine, pediatrics, it is more than 35 lakhs per annum. There are clinical branches like ENT is there, psychiatry is there, ophthalmology is there, anesthesia is there. Their fee structure will be below 30 lakhs. So, in case if you are coming under minority quota, like Muslim minority quota, Jain minority quota, if your rank is not that good also, please participate in UP State Counselling in this minority colleges. You will be having opportunity in premium branches like radiology, dermatology within the budget of 40 lakhs per annum. Students, today I have given you the information about UP State Counselling registration process, college, and what is the possibility. If you want to know more information like that, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to take the counseling guidance services from our Career Mudra organizations, please contact us for counseling guidance. We have the Telegram group. Through that we give all the regular updates. If you want to take that updates, please join in our Telegram group. The link is given in the descriptions. Thank you so much, student, for watching this video.